minus $2,144. This is my trading results in commodities and futures trading based on CFTC report. Hello and welcome to Insider Week. My name is Max Schulz, and in this video I am going to show you my trades from the last trading week. Let's start with CFTC trading strategy. CFTC trading strategy, I trade on CFTC trading account. The account size is $890,000. As you can see, I trade here a range between 1 and 2%. I started in the last trading week with an empty portfolio, and I finished the trading week with 2 positions in my portfolio. I'm long in Canadian dollar and I'm long in lean hogs. The weekly trading results is 0 because I didn't close any trades during the last week. This was my watch list I started with in the last trading week. And this is the first market, lean hogs. As you can see, I got buy signal several weeks ago based on CFTC data analysis. So on this chart, you can see the commercials are still long. So I expect the trend continuation in this market. On the daily chart, you can see my trade. So I open a trade in a upward trend, in a direction of upward trend. And after I was triggered, the market went in a correction. And the low of this correction is 2 ticks above my stop loss. I was lucky. I don't care about situation like this because I have made over 1,000 trades and I've seen a lot of different situations. So let's have a look at the next trade, Canadian dollar. I got here sell signal based on CFTC data analysis, and I decided to trade against commercials with large speculators because I expected the trade continuation after this very strong resistance was broken. So as you can see, I opened a long position after a correction, but the market went against me. So the stop is close to the market. On this chart, you can see better where my stop is. My stop is on low of Tuesday, -1 tick, because in Trade Navigator, I have problems with data and I want to switch from Trade Navigator to Trading View. So in the future, you will see more pictures from Trading View. In other markets, I didn't do any trades, and the reason was, for example, the market went another direction. So then I didn't get an entry pattern, or the correction wasn't end. So here the same. So here the same. So, and here, as you can see, we had in soybean oil sideways market last week. This trading week, the market went over the last high. We are out of the range market. So this is a trend continuation. I will put this market on the watches for the next trading week, and we'll try to get here a long entry. Let's have a look at gasoline. So gasoline. So I didn't get here an entry pattern based on CFTC trading strategy, but I got once based on CFTC trading strategy. I will show you later. So, and the last market, silver, the correction didn't end and therefore no trade. So, and the small account, so I trade CFTC trading strategy on small account to show traders with small accounts how to trade small account. And I started with a open position in the last trading week. So I was 2 contract long in a mini future with 2 micro contracts. And I used the trailing stop during the week. And on Friday, I was stopped out with a profit of $1,734. Let's have a look at CFTC trading strategy. So I started in the last trading week with an empty portfolio, and I finished the trading week with 1 position in my portfolio. During the week, I did several trades. So the weekly trading result is $3,878. So this is the statistic of this strategy. So let's have a look at trading account. The account size is $522,000. I trade a range from 1 until 4% risk on this trading account. Let's have a look at the first trade, lean hacks. So I opened a long position in a upward trend, but I was stopped out. My stop was very close to the market. So the last was $7,440. So after trend continuation, I opened a long position again. I'm 14 contracts long in this market, and on Friday I scaled up this position until 4% risk. So let's have a look at the next trade. I traded this market with 1% risk because, as you can see, the market was in a downward trend. The market had some trend change, but usually you have to be careful if you had before very strong trend in one direction, and the trade was against the previous downward trend. So therefore, less risk. I was stopped out with a loss of $5,518. This trade with 2% risk, gasoline, this was a trade in a direction of trend. So I'm happy with this trade because as you can see, the trade was opened in a strong upward trend. I used the correction to open my position, was triggered, and next day the trade was closed with a profit of $9,080. That's it for today. Thank you very much for your time. See you next week. Your Max Schulz.